I'm still trying it because why not? I really hope it gives us a pretty little bonus. A state feature is, you can stop there. You know, I'm not going to be mad about that because at least it wasn't a mini. Although, mini times 2 would be $20. So, still pretty. I look a little graphic. Alrighty. Let's go. Okay, please unlock those. Okay. On 2 more? No. Come on. Oh, I landed up top. Oh, can you like re-trigger please maybe? Oh no, we have 2 spins left. Re-trigger? 1 more spin? Can you please unlock the next row and give me another re-trigger? Thank you. Thanks for listening. Now re-trigger again and unlock another row for us. Okay. Last spin, do something please. Oh no. I think this is better than the one other bonus I've gotten on this, at least house-wise. Hopefully. It's so loud. It's so loud.